Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video today, I'm breaking down how beginners can make $3,400 with Temu's affiliate program, a hot opportunity to cash in on this booming e-commerce platform. It's beginner friendly, and I'll show you the steps to hit that goal. So first, of course, you'll need to sign up at Temu.com, head to the affiliate section, click on Sign Up to Earn or Get Started, and fill out the form. It's free, no special skills required, just a social media account. Temu approves most applications fast, especially if you've got a small following or a plan to promote their stuff. After that, you need to also understand the earnings. Here's the math. Temu offers up to 20% commission per sale. Average orders 25, so that's $5 each, plus $5 per new app download. To hit $3,400 monthly, you'll need about 680 sales or a mix like 500 sales and 180 downloads. That's ambitious for beginners, but doable with efforts. Grab your unique link from the dashboard and share it. Post on TikTok, Instagram, or X about Temu's cheap finds. Think $2 gadgets or $10 fashion. Target deal hunters, use hashtags like #TemuDeals. Consistency is key. Aim for 3 to 5 posts daily across platforms to build traction. Also, guys, picking a niche is a good idea, like for example home decor or tech, and focus there. Check Temu's best sellers for hot items. Create quick reviews or unboxing videos. Short, snappy content converts. A beginner with 8,000 followers could see 20 to 30 clicks a day. With a 5% conversion rate, that's 1 to 2 sales a day to start. Use Temu's dashboard to monitor clicks and earnings. Reinvest time into what works. If a 50% product post gets sales, double down. Post on X say top earners hit $10,000 in days, but for beginners, $3,400 takes steady grinding, think 3 to 6 months to build that audience. And that's the beginner's path, my friends. Sign up, promote, smart, scale up. So have you tried it? Drop your progress in the comments, like and subscribe for more money making tips. See you next time.